We at PureNSM have developed a unique method to encapsulate fast and efficiently in high volumes using only all-natural flow agents. You as a brand owner no longer have to sacrifice purity for quantity. Click here to set up a one-on-one with a knowledgeable team member.
Magnesium stearate, carrageenan, rice extracts that often contain seed oils. What's going on? Now that the government is paying more attention to food additives like artificial colors, more and more people are paying attention to additives in their supplements. Consumers have had enough, and the clean label movement is here in full force. Don't leave money on the table. You can get a clean label even if your production runs are large. What do I mean by that? Let me explain. Typically, when you start out with a small production run, it's easy to avoid additives. However, once your production run increases, your contract manufacturer will need to use large encapsulation machines. They will tell you that you need to add magnesium stearate or other additives, such as rice extracts that can contain seed oils to the mix. Don't let them fool you. A good flow rate and a balanced blend can be achieved using clean production methods involving the mechanical processing of the powder and 100% natural flow agents. No need for seed oils, no need for magnesium stearate. If you are a brand owner or you are thinking of starting your own brand, you must listen to the rest of this video. Hi, I'm Dean with PureNSM. Right now, supplement brand owners have an opportunity to take advantage of the production methods now made available by PureNSM to select brands that value purity. Consumers are becoming more and more aware of the questionable additives often found in many supplements. Imagine their dismay when they discover that many of those additives are not declared on the labels. You heard me right. Contract manufacturers don't have to tell you what they put in your supplements. Therefore, I urge you to dig deeper. Get the specification sheets, look at it. Get the production records, look at them. According to the FDA, if the materials the contract manufacturer adds to your supplement does not impart color, nutrition, aroma, or other function, then it does not need to be declared on the label, provided it's added in insignificant amounts. Unbelievable. It's unbelievable how incredibly kind the FDA is to the supplement industry. But wait, those regulations were initially written for the over-the-counter drug manufacturers. You know how much the FDA loves making life easier for the pharmaceutical industry. That's why they say there's more politics in medicine than in politics. Leaving politics aside, perhaps a little bit of additives won't hurt an average healthy adult. But how about a sick one with a compromised immune system that takes a lot of supplements? Is their immune system ready for the onslaught of hidden additives in the supplements? For example, seed oils, titanium dioxide, stearates, carrageenan, the list goes on. Are you certain your capsules don't contain magnesium stearate? The health supplement market is surging and the need for high-quality health products is at an all-time high. If you believe in providing the purest product to your customer and you need to keep production costs low, call PureNSM today.